To fix a declining Chime card, it is essential to understand the possible reasons behind the issue. The Chime card can be declined due to various reasons, including insufficient funds, exceeded spending limits, or suspicious activity. First, check your account balance to ensure you have sufficient funds to cover the transaction. Log into your Chime account and verify your balance. If your balance is low, you can transfer funds to your account or deposit cash at a participating retailer. Next, review your spending limits to ensure you have not exceeded them. Chime sets daily spending limits on its cards, and exceeding these limits can result in declined transactions. You can check your spending limits by logging in to your Chime account or contacting Chime customer support. Another reason for a declining Chime card is suspicious activity. Chime has a robust security system that flags transactions that appear suspicious or unusual. If Chime suspects a transaction is fraudulent, it may decline the transaction to protect your account. In this case, contact Chime customer support to verify the transaction and resolve the issue. Additionally, technical issues or system errors can also cause a Chime card to decline. If you suspect a technical issue, try restarting your device or checking the Chime website for any known issues. To prevent your Chime card from declining in the future, it is essential to monitor your account activity regularly. Keep your account information up to date, and report any suspicious transactions to Chime customer support. By following these steps and best practices, you can resolve the issue and ensure seamless transactions with your Chime card. It is also recommended to contact Chime customer support if you are unable to resolve the issue on your own. They can provide personalized assistance and help you get back to using your Chime card. By understanding the possible reasons behind a declining Chime card and taking proactive steps to prevent future issues, you can enjoy a hassle-free banking experience with Chime.